Okay, hi guys. I've just wrapped up this video that I was shooting, and I think this is it for the Z. I think the Z is about to die because there's a knocking sound, and that might be Mr. Rodney knocking, saying hi. I am kind of sad, kind of nervous, but at the same time, that means it's time for an engine swap. And I've always been planning for an engine swap for this car for years, so I might be forced to do this now. I want to show you guys what this sound is like, because it sounds like air, so I thought it was an air leak, and then I thought it was a failed fuel injector, and then I was like, that might be rod knock. When I heard that noise, I was like, okay, it's time for an engine swap. This car's about to die. It's almost at 200,000 kilometers, so yeah. I didn't think it was lifters because I'm used to the noisy lifter sound, and this is way louder than that. So yeah, I don't know what it is. Like, it's not making it anymore. It's making all the right sounds, so I don't know what's happening. I don't know if I need to do anything else to the Z before I pick up the Merc and start building the Merc. I think I've done everything in the last video for this to stay kind of in storage for probably until next year as we build up the Merc. So we need to pick up the Merc and swap the Merc with this car and bring the Merc home so we can finally build it and finish it before December. So we've got June, July, August, September, October, November. Yeah, we've got 6 months to build the Merc. We had a whole year, more than a year. We had 18 months since we bought the Merc, and we barely touched it. Oh man, I really thought the Merc would be close to done now, but I haven't even started. So yeah, we're practically going short on time again with everything, as we always do. Oh, I really need to change that. Oh my gosh, 6 months to build this car into show VIP spec. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Let me drive home. Well, let's hope I make it home, and if it comes up, I will show you guys. All right, so we are back home after a pretty interesting wild drive. So I have to see where my car is leaking from. I'm pretty sure it's an air leak. It sounds like an air leak to me. It doesn't sound like a rod knock. It doesn't sound like, I don't know, it's not consistent, and it only happens at certain times. I don't know what's happening. Let's go ahead and try find and diagnose this damn thing. Cars, it never stops. Just freaking work, man. Is it that hard? Just work. So, I don't even know where to start. I really don't know where to start. So, that's electrical lines. That's, yeah, it wouldn't be that. Fuel pressure regulator, it's no fuel's coming out, so that's fine. I know this part here is cracked, but it's been cracked for a while, and there's nothing there. So, I'm going to start the car up and see if it comes back, and see like if I can pinpoint the area. Hopefully this does come back, because I want to see where it's at. I think I hear it. Okay, so I've replicated the sound. I'm going to put the mic near the engine bay, and so you guys can hear what I'm hearing. It's in the back right now. It's a popping noise. Alright, it's definitely an air leak. So what we got to do is find like air hoses and like intake hoses and stuff to see if anything's disconnected and see if anything's like not on properly. I don't know. Okay, let's try to find this out. This is the back of the engine. I thought it was this, right? But it's not this. That's fine. That's fine. The back of the engine. That's fine. Throttle body is secured. I don't even know what this hose is. That's a connector. I don't know what it is. Like, I really have no idea what it is. Oh wait, what's this? Where does this lead to? Oh, no way. Oh, I think I found it. How? Okay, I don't even understand. Let's see if this fixes it. What? I think that was it. Oh my gosh. Oh. We found what was wrong with the car. I don't even know what that part is. I can breathe. I can breathe again. Oh my gosh. The car can probably breathe again. Okay, so I'm actually happy because I thought that was going to be a lot longer than expected. Z, you strike again, my guy, my girl, my car. What we have to do is, oh yeah, I haven't told you guys, have I? Oh, okay. So the big news is the car is going to go into storage. That's one. Until next year, because we need to start building the Merc. Oh, there's like a aura behind me. That's nice. I've been planning out the Merc build, and I need to buy bags. I need a paint job, and I need to refurbish my wheels. So because I'm not seeing this car next year, and next year I'm already planning to buy new wheels and go like pretty hard on this car next year. So what the plan is, and yes, this is sad news, but we are going to get rid of these beautiful T5R two-piece wheels. It's hard for me to let go of things that I really enjoyed, but in order for us to move forward, the money from these wheels will go a long way with the build, the car show. It'll just go a long way. So because I know I'm going to get new wheels for this car next year when I pick it up, it only makes sense for me to sell these wheels now and put that money to work, get more content for you guys, complete the Merc, have the car show, just so when this car is in storage, like these wheels aren't like just sitting there. It sucks, I know, but I can really make the money work when I sell these wheels, and it'll only like elevate and help everything else out so much. So yeah, it's a smart move, and I have to kind of swallow the pill of like keeping these, because yeah, I love these wheels, I really do, but yeah, it's a smarter choice for me to get rid of these wheels. One thing I do want to do before we take these wheels off is I want to do a little montage of these wheels, because yeah, these wheels were probably one of the first wheels that I bought to spec, that I did research on, that I put time in, and that were expensive. Let's just say that. I'm going to do a little montage of these wheels and everything like that, just so one, I have it on camera and stuff like that, and two, you guys can enjoy these wheels for the last time with me and cry with me as well. So okay, enjoy and I'll be back. Yes, we are putting stock wheels back on, but that doesn't mean we should lack on fitment. So the 25mm H&R spaces for the rear are going back on, and the front spaces are going back on as well. So we're still going to have good fitment. I ain't mad at that. That actually looks pretty well. I'm just happy about the fitment. It's not as aggressive, obviously, but it does fill out the guards. If I did a 35 rear for tires, that would give me 5mm more sidewall, which are the tire sizes for these stock wheels. So the 35 on the rears on the stock wheels actually fill out the guards a lot more. Now I know for the next wheels, I know what tire sizes I should go. So that's really good to know. I'm just going to do the other side of the rear, and then the rears will be done, and then we'll move on to the front. I know I got to repair a tire. There's a screw in the left side, the passenger side. Tire repair. I've never done this before. There's a nail in my tire and we got to repair that. We've got a repair kit here, which should be alright. It looks pretty straightforward. Take the object out, rough it up, then put the rubber in, cut it, you're done. We're learning a new skill today and we're gonna tackle this. Should be easy. Alright, so this here, that little thing is the nail, so we got to get that out. So we got soapy water here. It doesn't say you need soapy water, but I've seen a tire repair done in person and they use soapy water, so I guess should use soapy water. Okay, so I'm going to get this nail out and then we'll head on from there. So yeah, you guys are going to learn with me. We're gonna attempt this, and then what is this thing? I have no clue what that is. I found out what this is. Sorry, it's a PSI gauge for the pressure in your tire. Oh, this is sick. I want to try this. Oh, you just press it in. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's sick. Oh, yo. That's Spanish. I don't understand Spanish. We have to get this note out first. Okay, I'm kind of scared. Yeah. Oh. That's 40 PSI right there. Ah! Ah! Spray water! Spray water! Ah, it's not working. Oh my gosh, this is so... Rheumatoid, go! You're supposed to do it flat. Okay, makes sense. First lesson learned, you have to do this with the tire flat, because if not, it'll be too hard for this pokey cleaner. It's called a reamer. Yeah, I know. I don't understand. I'm tired. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating from a damn tire repair. Oh bro, we did it! Now it says to just rip it out. Ready, set. Let's go. Alright, so here's the tire, and then where is it? Where is it? There you have it. The car is back on stockies, back on stock wheels. Fitment actually isn't too bad. I just need to bring this camber out, and then literally this will be flush. So yeah, probably 1 to 1.5 degrees less camber, especially in the front. This is literally how much camber there is. So if I even that out and bring the camber out, let's see if it'll rub. Oh yeah, that will rub. Oh. Yeah, I need my fenders rolled. If I bring that out, that will rub. So let's go pick up the Merc. I haven't seen it in months. So yeah, let's see how it drives. Let's see if it starts, to see if there's anything broken. Say goodbye to the Z for the rest of the year. Yeah. Look at that wing. That wing is so nice. This angle right here, sheesh. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too, because we've got a whole build planned for you guys on the Merc. So already set out, waiting for parts to come in, waiting for parts to go on the car. So yeah, we've already got everything planned. It's going to be a exciting 6 months to the rest of the year. Well, it's June. Oh yeah, 6 months. Yeah, so we've got a lot of planned for the rest of the year. So yeah, stay tuned and let's go pick up the Merc.